So this next exercise we're going to cover is thoracic extensions. Now we're going to have the foam roller flat on the ground here. I'm going to position myself here, okay? So the foam roller is going to be right underneath my shoulder blades. Now as I'm in this position, I'm going to place my hands behind my head, and I'm going to open up my chest and I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades together. So I'm going to open up, squeeze my shoulder blades together, and then I'm just going to let my spine mold through the foam roller, just like this. I'm going to hold 1, 2, and I'm going to come back up. Now, if you can watch my low back, I don't want you doing this. Okay? You see that? I'm getting a lot of extension, a lot of extra movement from my low back where I don't need it. Okay? I'm really trying to focus on the movement into the middle portion of my back. So a good cue here is to squeeze your glutes, bring your pelvis up. Okay? This is going to help you not recruit that low back to get some extra motion. So push that pelvis up, squeeze those glutes, arms behind, and go ahead and extend. Hold at that 2 count, and then work your way back up. Okay? Those are thoracic extensions.